Welcome to this DxDiag tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the DirectX function error in EA Sports FC26 on PC. Whether you're frustrated because the game keeps crashing at launch, or you simply want to enjoy smooth gameplay without interruptions, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, make sure your graphics drivers are fully up to date. Press Windows plus R, type in DxDiag, and press Enter to confirm your GPU brand. Then, go to your manufacturer's website, whether it's NVIDIA, Intel or AMD, and download the latest driver for your specific GPU model. After installing, restart your PC to apply the changes. Next, verify the integrity of your game files on Steam. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click EA Sports FC26, and select Properties. From there, click on the Installed Files tab, and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will automatically scan for missing or corrupted files and re-download them if needed. This step often fixes crashes caused by damaged game files. To make the process smoother, ensure Steam is fully updated and no other programs are using heavy system resources while running the game. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent common DirectX issues. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to fix the DirectX function error in EA Sports FC26 and enjoy uninterrupted gameplay. Thanks for watching this DxDiag tutorial video. If this guide helped, make sure to like, comment which fix worked for you, and share it with a friend who might need it. Why not make their gaming day a little easier?